How to get Apple TV free trial. Method 1. New Apple device. Apple TV Plus is included for 3 months when you purchase an Apple device and redeem the offer within 90 days. Method 2. Free 7-day trial. As a new user of Apple TV, you will get a 7-day free trial if you subscribe monthly. Next, I will walk you through how to sign up for Apple TV. To sign up on iPhone, you need to have Apple TV app. So, navigate to App Store and search for Apple TV. Download Apple TV and open the app. Once you open the app, check from the bottom bar that you're in the Apple TV Plus section. If you're a new user, you will get a free trial, so click Accept the free trial button. Then double-click to subscribe. You will have 1 week free trial, and after that you will pay monthly, unless you cancel your free trial before that. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.